exposing the secret sauce in successful Airbnb businesses. SOPs. If you're an Airbnb host looking to scale your business, you need standard operating procedures, or SOPs. Why? Because SOPs are your blueprint for success. They streamline operations, ensure consistency, and save you time you can spend welcoming guests, not worrying about the details. Imagine a world where every task, from cleaning to guest check-ins, is handled smoothly and efficiently. No more last-minute scrambles or missed steps. Our custom SOP library is designed specifically for Airbnb hosts like you. Easy to download, simple to implement, and powerful in results. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your existing Airbnb to the next level, our SOPs can help you achieve your goals faster. And the best part? You can start today. So, what are you waiting for? Boost your Airbnb biz with our SOPs and watch your business thrive. Click the link in the bio to get started now. Your future guests will thank you.